is true love family. It's a true love family. This is true love family. Hello, welcome back. My name is Aloysius Kamara, your host from True Love Family TV Australia. This is episode 2. How to find true love. How to find true love. How to find true love. In finding true love, there are 3 types of love we need to identify. Number 1, the philo. The philo love is a brotherly love that exists among siblings in a family. And this same love must exist in relationship. The person you want to get married to, is it somebody you can relate to as brothers and sisters? Be kindly affectionate one to another with brotherly love in honoring, preferring one another. Let brotherly love continue in your relationship. Play together, laugh together, do things together, sister brothers. That is what we call true love. Number 2, the eros love, which is sexually types of love. This must be avoided when you are finding your true love. Until you tie the knot, this must not be practiced. The third love we must understand is agape love. Agape is normally described as the God kinds of love, which says, I love you in spite of all issues. It is a willingness to accept the other person for who he or she is without expecting a change into them or the ideal spouse in shape, form, size, intellect. This means that even if your spouse never reduce or increase in size, you love them. You get that? You love them. Why? Because internal beauty is external beauty. So what is internal beauty? Internal beauty speaks of your character. External beauty is what we see physically. What is character? Oxford Dictionary defines character as mental and moral qualities distinctive to an individual. Distinctive to an individual. The particular combination of qualities in a person or place that makes them different from another. That is character. Character can be good or bad. Examples of bad character. Number 1, drinking to stupor. Number 2, smoking. Number 3, stealing. Number 4, cheating in a relationship. These are bad examples of bad character. If you see this in a person, that person say, I love you. How can you love somebody and you still cheat on them? That is not true love. Do not marry just because of external beauty. Why? Because everybody is beautiful, depending on who is looking at who. Everyone is beautiful. There is nobody who is not beautiful in one way or another. Beauty lies on the eyes of the beholder. For you are fearfully and wonderfully made. Don't let anyone talk you down. Don't let anybody say, oh, you must marry a beautiful girl or handsome person, somebody with 6-pack and all that. These are not things you look at. True love does not depend on external beauty. Everyone has some beauty about him or her. You should never think that you are not beautiful or handsome. God took time to design you, to create your nose the way it is. Perhaps He made your ears small or big, or your lips big, as full as they are. God has not made you a disappointment or a disaster. He does not make such things. You are fearfully and wonderfully made by God. If you are short, being short is beautiful. If you are black, being black is beautiful. And if you are white, being white is also equally beautiful, because beauty is like a flower. There's an age we call a flower age. A flower age, my dear, beauty has a point at which it blossoms like a beautiful flower. Most plants have a flowering time or stage, and the plant which flowers is the one that is attractive to both insects and humans. Why? When the flower is juicy, it's producing something sweet, the nectar, the honeys, they go, they perch on it. The same can be said about a woman. There is a time or a stage in a woman's life we call the age of flower, or the flower of her beauty. That is when you are most noticeable. That is when men are floating around, or women want to be around you. So don't take that time to be a joke. It's a time that you have to be serious. It's a time that you have to plan your life together. It's a time that you have to seek for true love. Because beauty depends on many factors. Everyone God has made is beautiful. I said that before. But this beauty can be enhanced by several factors. Beauty depends on, for a woman, on your hair, your dressing for a man, your both sex, your makeup, and even the time of the day. If you, any woman can be beautiful, even if they appear ugly. If they put up nice hair, weave on, makeup very nice, and all these things, fingernail is done, everything is done, they appear gorgeous. If a woman have a long hair, it is her glory. You see that? As a brother looking for a beautiful wife, you must remember that the beauty you see in that lady can increase or decrease depending on certain things, like they dress up, makeup, and all that. You get that? External beauty depends on internal beauty. Can I say that again? External beauty depends on internal beauty. Outward beauty depends on the inward beauty. If you are beautiful inside, it shows on the outside. Character. Sometimes, do you understand? You must be internally beautiful. If you are looking for true love, don't just look on the external beauty. My notes. Please look for internal beauty. It's a quality for both male and female than looking or finding their true love. My name is Alicious Kamara, your host. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. See you next time.